Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Many of you have been asking me about why I'm going for masters when I'm already enrolled for Applied AI course. So that's exactly what I'll be answering in this video. So if you are new here or if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And also hit that like button, it keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And also you can join our Telegram group where we discuss about data science and which course to take and many other things, so it will be helpful for you. So yeah, with that, let's start our discussion. But before moving further or telling you anything, let me share a short story with you guys. So I left my company or my job in November 2019. So why I left my job? I wanted to do masters, MTech or MS, but because of some reasons my parents didn't agree to go outside India, so they told do your masters in India. So when I left my job, I had 2 months to prepare for GATE. As you all know, GATE exams take place in the month of February. So I prepared for 2 months and I took GATE. And before leaving my job, I was also planning to take some data science course. So I had that plan that I will take a data science course when I will be done with my GATE exam. So because before joining any college, I will have some time. So because admission process and counseling and everything, that takes time. So I thought I will take some course. So I was researching about multiple courses, and that's when I came to know about Applied AI course. So yeah, so I took my GATE exam, and by the time I got my results and the counseling process started, I was able to convince my parents and they allowed me to go outside India for my masters. And in this time I was also studying from Applied AI course. So you see that I left my job not to join Applied AI course or take job from Applied AI course or something like that. My main motive was always to do masters. So that's why I chose to do masters even when I'm enrolled in Applied AI course. And also I had offer from Manipal University for their MSc in data science and ME in big data analytics. You can see here. So yeah, I had applied to universities or colleges as well. I was also looking for VIT and many other colleges. I didn't apply to VIT because by the time I decided to apply for VIT or the application process started, I was already able to convince my parents that they allow me to go outside India to study. And also I was thinking to join University of Hyderabad because their artificial intelligence course is really good, but I got a rank of somewhere around 5,000. So with that rank I won't be able to join UH. Or I was also thinking about IIIT Hyderabad or IIIT Bangalore, but again my rank was not good enough. And also for IIIT Hyderabad I didn't apply because they take their separate exam or interviews. So I didn't apply for that because again by this point I was already preparing for my study abroad planning like SOP and everything. So yeah, that's exactly how it went, and multiple things were happening simultaneously. So at that point I was not clear what I will be doing. I will be doing masters in India, I will be doing masters outside India, or maybe none of them. I will just take a job after completing Applied AI course. So there were many things. But now that I am going for masters, I have everything going as planned as of now. So yeah, that is what I want to discuss in this video, and that is the reason why I'm going for masters even when I am enrolled for Applied AI course. So I hope I was able to answer your question. With that I will end this video, and you can always subscribe to the channel and comment something, whatever you want to know. If you have some query, you can always connect with me on LinkedIn. You can ask there, you can always post it in the comment section. As I told you, you can join our Telegram group as well. And also if you want to download data science notes, you can download data science notes from the description as well. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, happy learning.